Putting your pants in the refrigerator could get you out of a big problem. It is no secret that one of the most common clothes is pants, since we use them almost daily. I will show you what happens when you dare to put your pants in the refrigerator. Few know what this unusual trick is for, but I assure you that when you know, you will thank me forever. Before showing you how to put them in the freezer, I will tell you some other clothes tricks that you probably did not know and that I am sure you will love to know. Number 1. If one day you have a very wrinkled shirt collar and you don't want to use the common iron, you can do it quickly with one of these. Just turn it on and place the collar between the tweezers and the heat will make them very rough. Two, if you are too lazy to try on some pants that you want to buy, just put them on your neck to know the size. If the pants wrap your neck completely, it means that you will look good, but if on the contrary it does not reach, it is likely that you will look very fair. 3. If after eating you have stained your pants with oil or wine, you can quickly remove them using talcum powder. Just apply and let it rest for about 10 minutes. You will be surprised by the result. 4. After washing the clothes, the zippers tend to get rough, making their movement difficult. When this happens to you, you just have to rub a candle in the teeth of the zipper and it will begin to loosen little by little. Then it slides as usual. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Flor del Alba from Uruguay and for Dorca Polanco from Venezuela. Number 5. Having deodorant marks on your clothes when you put them on is one of the most uncomfortable things in the world. By using baby wipes, you won't need to change your clothes. Just rub the wipes on your clothes until they get wet, and you'll notice that the marks will disappear. Now that you know a few tricks with clothes, it's time to tell you what's the point of putting a pair of pants in the fridge. With each wash, your pants run the risk of losing their shape and color. When you wear your pants several times, they start to smell bad. This is due to the bacteria that are expelled from our body, which end up staying in the clothes. If you wear a uniform, it can be tedious to have to wash your pants every now and then. When you put your pants in the freezer, the low temperatures end up with those bacteria, making them free of bad smells, and you can use it several times. Put your pants in a plastic bag and put them in the refrigerator all night. Next, you will notice that it will not have any smell. The best of all is that unlike the washing machine, in the fridge, the pants will not lose their color and will last longer. Although it is clear, in extreme cases such as stains and dirt, you will always have to wash.
Yes.